Hello friends, welcome back to Hadi's Wheel. In the last video, we learned how to solve the first layer. And in that video, the white layer is solved plus there would be a T. If we solve the first layer, there would be a T. Like this, a T. In this video, we are learning the third step, which is to solve the second layer, which is the middle layer. In the last two steps, we have solved with the white facing up. Now we should make the white face facing down. So here's the yellow centerpiece. So this face should be the yellow face and the opposite is white. So in this step we have to solve the middle layer. Centerpieces are already solved. See, this is these three pieces are red and this is also red, and so as the blue face, and so as the orange face, and so as the green face. See, here the face is red and here the face is blue, so we have to bring the edge piece which has blue and red and blue facing in the blue's face and red facing in the red's face. See, here it is blue and here it is orange. This edge piece should be blue and orange, with blue facing the blue side and orange facing the orange side. So this is the orange face and this is the green face. So this edge piece should be like green facing the green face and orange facing the orange face. To do that, we need to deal with three cases. So look for the edge pieces over here, on the yellow face, which doesn't have yellow over here or here. So here it is blue and red, here it is blue and yellow, so this has yellow, so we can't take it, and this is orange and green, so this counts, and this is orange and yellow, so we can't take it. Take an edge piece with no yellow, so this is green and orange, so it should come over here, because this side is orange and this side is green. Okay, so here it is green, so we should match it with the green centerpiece, green face. So it's matched. So the top color is orange, so that means this piece should come over here. So this is top to right. That is the first case, the top color to come to the right face. So to do that, follow this algorithm. F, U, F, U, F, U dash, F dash, U dash, and an F dash. See, the edge over here is solved. Next, look for another edge piece on the yellow face without yellow color on it. Here's one. There's no yellow over here nor here. Okay, this is blue and red, so I should match this color with the red centerpiece. Red side with the red centerpiece. Okay, it's matched. So blue is not on the right, it's on the left. So this is case number 2. The top color should come to the left. In the first case, it was top color to the right. The top edge should come to the right edge. In this case, the top color should come to the left edge. So keep the face which have the selected edge piece on the front, and follow this algorithm. F dash U dash, F dash U dash, F dash U, F U, U, F. See, this is solved. So this blue and red edge is solved. Now let's look for another one. Oh, here's one. This doesn't have any yellow. Okay, this side does not have any yellow, and this side also does not have any yellow. So this side is blue, so match it with blue. It's over here. So this case is front to left. So this is orange. So the orange side is over here. So this is the second case. F dash U dash, F dash U dash, F dash U, F U, F. So this edge is also solved. Let's look for another edge. Oh, here's one. Here there's yellow, so we can't select it. So this also has yellow, and this also has yellow, and this also has yellow. So, oh, it's over here, but it is only inverted. So you should follow this algorithm. Okay, this is quite a long algorithm. Before that, we should keep, this is case number 3, and we should keep the edge piece which needs to be twisted on the right. Now follow this algorithm. R, U2, R dash U, R, U2, R dash U, F dash, U dash, and F. So this edge is also solved. Now all the edges are solved, and so is the second layer. Friends, in case if you don't find any edge piece without yellow in the yellow face, see, here there's yellow, here there's yellow, here there's yellow, here there's yellow, and we have to solve the edge pieces over here. What we have to do is follow either of the two algorithms. I will follow F U, F U, F U dash, F dash, U dash, and F dash. So here I got an edge piece without yellow. So follow the algorithms needed for that. Okay. So this is matched, and this is orange, and orange is on the right. So the right algorithm. F U, F U, F U dash, F dash, U dash, and F dash. See, this is solved. By this time, you would get an edge piece without yellow on the yellow face. So do the algorithms and solve every edge. So I hope you understood this step very well. And if you have any confusion, please comment it down in the comment box. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe right now. So in the next step, we'll be learning how to solve the yellow face. So bye bye.